guys, ito na yung ating dry ingredients. We have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a pinch of salt. Okay guys, i-sift na natin guys. So i-mix natin siya guys. So ready na ang ating flour. So we are going to use 3 bananas guys, then we are going to mash this one, okay? So we have our 2 eggs guys. Ilagay natin ang ating sugar. So 3/4 cup ng white sugar and 1/4 cup of brown one. We're going to mix. We will add the melted butter guys, 1/2 cup of melted, 50 grams of then we will add vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon lang. Okay, we are going to combine our egg. We are going to combine our banana and our wheat mixture. We will mix this first. So we will add our 1/2 cup of milk. Okay, full cream milk yung ginagamit ko guys. Then we will add 1 tablespoon ng canola oil. We will add 1 tablespoon ng canola oil. Okay? Ingredients. We will add walnuts guys. I-toppings lang natin ang ating walnuts. So guys, ito na yung ating final product, our moist banana cake. So i-insert nyo lang yung toothpick guys. So it's clean. So yun, luto na siya guys. So i-cool down natin siya guys at yes,